Mini PCs have grown in popularity due to their small size, energy efficiency, and ability to handle everyday tasks with ease. These lightweight yet powerful devices have become a staple for those seeking an alternative to bulky desktops. A year ago, we reviewed the MINIX NGC-5 Pro and highlighted its promising specs and performance. Now, after a year of continuous use, it's time to revisit this mini PC and evaluate how it has held up. Has it maintained its performance? Are there any hidden issues? To get all the questions answered, let's get started. One of the key features that has continued to impress us is the sheer space-saving capabilities of the NGC-5 Pro. By being able to fit this diminutive device behind our monitor, we've been able to free up valuable desk space, keeping our workstation clutter-free and streamlined. This sleek design has also made the mini computer a breeze to transport, whether we're setting up a temporary workspace or taking it along on business trips. The portability factor had been a turning point, which allowed us to stay productive no matter where we were. The port selection on this mini PC has also proved to be more than adequate for our needs. As we've transitioned to using more portable monitors and other gadgets, the NGC-5 Pro's diverse connectivity options have made it easy to seamlessly integrate it into our setup. We've been able to easily connect external displays, storage devices, and other peripherals without any hassle. When it comes to our daily workload, the NGC-5 Pro has more than held its own. We've primarily used it for content writing and research, and the performance has been quite satisfactory. Even when we've dabbled in photo editing with Photoshop, the device has managed to handle the tasks with relative ease and provided a smooth and responsive experience. Surprisingly, we've also found that the NGC-5 Pro can hold its own in the field of casual gaming. While it's not meant for hardcore gaming, we've enjoyed playing some lighter, less resource-intensive titles without any major issues. The device's adequate processing power and satisfactory battery life have allowed us to indulge in some gaming sessions on the go, which added an extra layer of versatility to our usage. Despite the many positives we've experienced, the NGC-5 Pro does have a few areas where it has fallen short. One of the most notable issues we've faced is related to storage. After prolonged use, we've encountered some challenges with the SSD, which lead to some concerns about long-term reliability. This has prompted us to be more diligent in our data backup and storage management strategies. Another area of concern has been the device's tendency to overheat, especially during more intensive workloads. While we've been able to mitigate this to some extent through regular dust management and cleaning, it's still an issue that requires our attention and vigilance. The compact design of the NGC-5 Pro can sometimes hinder proper airflow and lead to elevated temperatures under heavy use. It's also worth noting that the NGC-5 Pro is currently only available with Windows or Ubuntu operating systems, which limits the options for users who might prefer other platforms. This restriction may be a deal breaker for some, particularly those who have specific software or ecosystem requirements. So, after a year of using the MINIX NGC-5 Pro, what's our final verdict? Overall, it's been a reliable and versatile mini PC, especially for tasks like writing, research, and light photo editing. Its smaller size and portability have been huge benefits, and it's handled our day-to-day work with ease. That said, the storage and overheating issues are worth considering if you plan to use this device for more demanding tasks or over a longer period of time. With regular maintenance, though, these problems can be managed. If you're in the market for a space-saving, portable PC that can handle basic tasks and a bit of light gaming, the NGC-5 Pro is definitely worth considering. Just be mindful of its limitations and make sure it aligns with your needs. Thanks for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.